and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the M109 Howitzer. So modern tank pretty much. So you can see I'm just going ahead and clipping away at all these pieces, and then this one here right there, clip that away. And then we got this piece to clip. Just clipping stuff for now, and then we'll organize all the pieces later. Alright. Clip, clip, clip. And I'm gonna go ahead and get something gluing here straight away. There's more to clip, but I'll get the glue drying here. So you can see that this piece goes like that. Well, there you go. So there's that piece. Next, let's go ahead and, clip the supports from underneath this gun, the plastic. So just clipping away at this stuff. You can see how I'm clipping that. Alright. Alright, so this is clipped away. What you can do is sand it down if you wish. And then this is clipped away, except let's get rid of the sprue mark there. This piece is clipped away. Get rid of those little sprues pieces. Just checking piece by piece, seeing how it goes. There's a sprue there. And then here's these pieces. Sprue there. This is the 1/72nd scale, by the way. It's a little bigger. So if you're working with the more smaller scales, just be more careful, and you may have to have a magnifying glass. Okay, getting there. Clipping away process. Now, the last clipping away, I think, is this. Can sand this down too. Okay, remove that, and then just clip this stuff away. Good. Alright, so I think we're getting some headway there. I think we're done the clipping away process. So now, let's start to glue this together. Now with this howitzer, there's actually two guns, the short gun and the long gun. And of course, to put them in, you just put it like that. Now, you might want, instead of gluing this, you might actually want to put some, I don't know, something temporary like a putty or something sticky that it could be put in there to hold, but then you could take it out if you wished later. That's an option. Alright, so next, gonna be gluing these to get together in the correct way. So the first piece that I'm gonna glue is this here. Just gonna put some glue there. Now, put it like that. Alright, so that's good. The next piece to be gluing together is not this side of the piece, but actually this side of the piece. As you can see, that fits better like that. So just put a bunch of glue like that. There you go. And yeah, again, you can do this. Like that. Okay, then here's this piece. And you can see how that lines up well. So, just put a bunch of glue like that. And let's get this piece glued down. Very good. So it's coming together. Then of course that can go there. Now you can put some glue here on each of these to secure the tracks on. Now the sprockets, I believe what they're called. These things, they go in the front on this model. Now you can see how I'm doing that. I'm trying to get that in the correct place there. There you go. I think I got it. It's not in the middle of the wheels there. It's actually like this. So why don't we go do the other side now? Now, like the other side, like so. There we go, there's the tracks. Alright, so what's next is these little parts. These are the shovel or the spade of this M109 Howitzer. These were the stabilization, pretty much. So just put the piece like that. Careful to put it in the correct place. Use reference pictures too. Alright, then basically this would be put, like if you're having this in a firing position, I believe it'd be going like this. Something like that. Yeah, so I believe that these were the spades or shovels. Essentially when you fired the big gun, it would hold there, brace it. Alright, so last but not least, actually second to last, but just put glue here, glue here. There you go. And then put these containers in the back. Like that. Like that. Very good. Now, the short gun or the long gun? What I'm gonna do is just put a teeny bit of glue just to hold. Put in that short gun. It'll hold it but it would be enough maybe for me to break it off and then put the big gun, if I wished. Or you could use some other method. Alright, so that is the M109 Howitzer coming with a long gun and short gun. If you know the exact names of these guns, let me know in the comments. Probably some of you do. Thank you so much for watching. It's available at miniaturetanks.com.